Just above the whale's tail there was the tail of a whale. We're out halibut fishing out of Icy Straight Point. This is just a short video today. We're going to take a look at it. We very much were fishing, not catching this day, though it was an amazing day to be on the water. You can see the inside passage is really calm. We're probably a couple of miles offshore out of the harbor there at Icy Straight Point. We just did a half-day fishing. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Ken Edmonds. On this channel, I provide information that helps people spend less so they can travel more. And I provide information that helps individuals that travel with difficulties to overcome those obstacles. This video is just a short look at our halibut fishing excursion in Icy Straight Point on our Alaskan cruise in June. So it's interesting. I'm actually filming this wearing my DB Power N5S action camera mounted in its waterproof housing on a chest strap, so that that way if the fishing was good and we caught some fish, it would be out of the way, but I could get some video. As you can see, it takes really nice video. Toward the end we get a little better picture just because of the way the camera is facing. Right now there's kind of a glare on the water. Question of the day, and it's up there right above my head. Have you ever been fishing in Alaska? Do me a favor, answer the question or put a comment down below. Again, like I said, we're just fishing. It was a really nice day on the water. I had my granddaughter with me. We got some bites. We thought a couple times we might get into some fish. It just didn't work out that way, but we had such a really nice time. The captain we went out with did a really nice job, kept us entertained even though the fishing wasn't good. There were actually 4 of us on the boat. My granddaughter and myself and another couple were fishing. Again, you can see such a beautiful place to go fishing. And as I mentioned, this camera's just strapped on my chest. It worked out really well for this particular application. I'm going to have the opportunity to go back to Icy Straight Point in September this year, and depending on how the weather and the fishing prognosis is, I'm hoping to get out and make another trip. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit the like button, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button, or you can just poke me in the nose down below. It'll get you subscribed to the channel, and that way you'll know when we create new videos. We'll see you next time.